Hi everyone, this is Char with Rihanna Stark. This is another pick a card reading. In today's reading, we will cover the topic messages coming from your angels for the week starting from 31st May to 6th June 2021. Like always, we have two piles here. This is pile A, which is a star, and this is pile B, which is a heart. Viewers, you can also pause the video and decide intuitively which pile you are being drawn to. Incidentally, we also have the timestamp given in the description box, so in case you want to proceed directly to your reading, you can do just that. Before I proceed, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for your support in this journey. Those of you who picked pile A, which is the star right here, this is your reading. Certainly, you are somebody who is guiding others in this journey. Possibly, you're also somebody who's looking for guidance from your angels or from the higher realms. I think you're somebody who emits light wherever you go. I'll keep this aside for now. The first card in your reading, pile A, is the King of Pentacles. Possibly, you're somebody who has a Midas touch, who is able to grab the opportunities that was going to present this week between 31st May to 6th June. Or perhaps somebody who is quite influential or who is quite prosperous is going to enter your life this week. Possibly an elder figure. I think if you are going to go for that interview or if you are going to aim for better prospects, this is a time to capitalize. Perhaps you should also talk about your past experiences because this could sway people in the interview panel. This week the focus is also on adding to your skill set. Maybe you should focus on learning or enhancing your skills. Situations could also arise, pile A, when you have to take responsibility. Maybe someone is backing out, so you have to take the onus. Besides pile A, I think you should look into the details while signing contracts in case you feel that someone is taking you for a ride. Maybe a third person could step in and speak for you. It is imperative for you to read between the lines to understand before you ask someone for his or her services, or in case even you are offering your services. I think you should be very clear. Maybe there should be clarity. The next card in this reading, pile A, is support from the Butterfly Oracle deck. Possibly, the senior person could be supporting you, or perhaps you need financial support this week. So there's somebody who is being generous towards you. There's no shame in asking for support or asking for help. We do benefit if we do have somebody who has a larger interests at heart. For some of you, this may also imply that you need to check with a healthcare professional, or for others of you, it's also possible that you're looking for child support or alimony here. From the Angel Therapy deck, we have this card, cancel, clear, delete. Possibly, there are some negative emotions or there are energy vampires around you. Maybe you should banish these thoughts and guard yourself with positive energy. Ideally, I think you should use positive thoughts and affirmations. This will definitely calm you and clear your mind. Basically, it's time to remove the worries and cares that are there which are bothering you. Pile A, you should also heal from the past. Maybe there are past issues which are affecting your relationships or it's gnawing at your relationships. Maybe this is the time to heal yourself, or you should do some soul searching. Maybe you should go or take a walk in the woods and find that inner peace. Wounds from broken relationship, people, or even situations that have been unhealthy for us need to be dissolved if you want to proceed in life. Archangel Michael is also asking you to have confidence. I think this card definitely serves as a talisman to raise your self-confidence. Maybe you should listen to your inner voice and act with aplomb. Basically, you have the King of Pentacles energy, who's a very sure person, and here you have confidence. That is why your angels are asking you to go ahead and have confidence in your plans and ideas. Definitely, your financial or other needs are going to be met this week. The last card in this reading is the Tower from Lenormand. Professionally, you are going to scale new heights. I think you're going to climb the rungs of the ladder, but you should also be careful that you could get so neck deep in work that you could forget your relationships. That is why it is prudent for you to heal old wounds. Nevertheless, being in a secure place provides the protection that we need or that you desire at this point in life. Finally, I'm also picking up that you should focus on the spine or the back here for any possible health issue. Like I said, some of you could be seeking support or seeking assistance from medical professionals this week as well. All in all, this week promises much, so you should capitalize, or you should grab the opportunities that the heavens are bestowing on you at this time. I hope Pile you liked your reading. This is Star with Rihanna Star. Please give us your feedback in the comments section. Those of you who picked Pile B, which is the heart right here, possibly you're someone who's going to be very emotional. I think emotions are going to be quite pivotal this week, so you should be mindful of your relationships. Perhaps you should do healing of the heart chakra as well. This will definitely benefit you, or this will calm your frayed nerves. I'll keep this aside for now. The first card in your reading pile B is the Ace of Cups. Like I said, relationships are going to be the key this week. So maybe you should focus on your relationships a bit more this week. Maybe you should not let ego come in the way, as it could affect your relationships. Ideally, I think pile B, you should hold your tongue, because those moments will also pass and you will not have any regrets. Sometimes, financial issues or your financial condition could also create discord in your relationship. Even on the professional front, I think you should hold your cards close to your chest, or maybe you should not give too much away, as this could affect your prospects at work. Other than that, pile B, you should also be careful because your schedule could be disrupted this week. Maybe you can expect cancellation of your planned work, so maybe it leads to pending work. That is why you have a lot to deal with. Sometimes excess work, or when the demands are too much on us, then it could lead to errors. So you should be a bit more careful. Maybe you should be a bit more careful. Perhaps pile B, you should also reduce the charges for your services in case you want to bag that offer. The next card in this reading is Heavenly Signs. Certainly the heavens are going to bless you this way with messages. Maybe it could be in the form of butterflies, rainbows, or even feathers. Be rest assured that your angels are by your side, or you're receiving guidance from heavens above. I think your prayers are being answered. Incidentally, we also have this card, Manifestation Power. Certainly, your angels are asking you to use your innate spiritual abilities to manifest what you desire. Basically, you have the power to change everything, to transform everything in your life. So you need to use your natural gift of manifestation. Pile B, you should stop worrying or fretting over situations. Rather, you should visualize the desired result. When you have the power to manifest what you desire, then you're certainly someone who's going to break those barriers. You're going to push the envelope this week. I think you're focusing towards the light, just like the branches here, the leaves are focusing on the light. Perhaps this is the time to gather your inner forces and break free from what is holding you back. You needn't let fear or even reason prevent you from overcoming those barriers. Remember, you need to keep going. You need to be quite steadfast and patient. Everything will fall in place. Incidentally, Archangel Michael is also asking you to detach from drama. You need to be happy. Be grateful because the angels are answering your prayers. Maybe you should take control of your life rather than let outside influences determine how you feel. Like I said, your relationships could be affected this week. Maybe there's also somebody who's vying for your attention, possibly a suitor, and you're undecided about it. Somebody is showing more than a passing interest in you. I think pile B, you should focus on positive affirmations this week to manifest what you desire. In case you want to manifest that relationship, I think it's time to do so now. The last card in this reading is Anchor, which talks about stability, talks about support. I think there's security, even if there's been a bit of confusion. You are somebody who's going to be quite efficient and hardworking. Possibly by the end of the week, you will feel quite settled and responsible as well. Just like an anchor, it moves you in a safe place. Similarly, I think there could also be work offers lined up. Basically, pile B, you can weather any storm, even if there are hiccups in your relationships, or even communication could be a bit of an issue here for many of you. But then you should realize that you're somebody who is moving forward and onward. I hope Pilby you liked your reading this star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye till the next time.